we open it? The pet clinic. The Lego Friends pet clinic. It's number 41695. There's 111 pieces and it's 4 plus.
Wow, Aarvee. This is for you, Aarvee?
Yes, this is
Wow. Let's start.
This is the back. There's 2 things here.
Are you excited, Aarvee?
Well,
One bag.
okay, this is bag 1, bag 2. And is there any bag 3? No, there's base plates.
Okay, base plates.
2 Lego maps.
2 Lego maps.
One says rebuild the world. And
Wow.
This is map 2 and this is map 1. And that's it.
Wow.
You can build it in the
I'm building the people.
3, 2, 1, start. No, we don't open it yet. And then there's a little smaller bag.
I'm gonna build the people. I build the people.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is Aarvee's cat. And that's the turtle. That shows the turtle.
This is cat. Oh, so cute. And
turtle.
wow.
Aarvee, let me help. Look, watch. Now we have.
And Aarvee.
And then the person. Open bag 1 plus base plate. We need one of those. And now,
Try, Aarvee,
and
try.
then we need these.
Wow.
Okay.
One
and then,
guy is ready.
Yeah, and then we put the thing in her hand.
Bag.
Yeah.
There's a cookie.
It is her pad and then a needle.
Cookie.
Wow, this is very, very little cookies. Very small.
There's
Done.
tools.
Yay, girl is ready with
Tools.
her bag.
This is the tools.
Oh, wow.
And then you put this on her. And now this is finally done.
Finally done.
Yep.
This is so. Take a shot.
And now you use the other pieces, the other things.
Right.
And then you get this, $100. $100.
So, guys, I'm starting bag 2.
And then
Okay.
And I built people. Aarvee, you build the
Okay.
peoples. Okay, I see what
And
There's
what?
a tiny cat on
you
there.
have the people.
Oh, wow.
Where's the people's hair? And, oh, no, guys, look, it's a kangaroo. It's Congus Conroy.
Oh,
good.
wow.
Oh, open this one. Yeah, okay.
I'm building the door. I'm building the door.
I'm building the people. I'm building the base plate.
Base plate.
Yeah,
Good
I'm
job.
building on top of it.
Okay.
Now
So this is what the door is supposed to be.
Oh.
Oh wait, you need 1 piece. And then okay, now I need 2 flowers. And they're the handles.
I am putting on the glass window.
Glass window.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at the girl. Yes.
Wow. Good job, Aarvee.
This is a cone. Yeah, I think these are for pets.
Yeah.
And this is the
know where
doorway.
this one goes.
The door is almost done.
This one
I just have to
goes
put it in
in
this one final page.
Mhm.
Sorry.
You done, Adi? Your door is done?
Homie.
Yeah, Ved's door is done, right, Ved?
Yes. This is a
Look at
no. This is a window.
Window? Okay, your window is complete.
Okay,
Oh, there's cat too.
So
Wow.
add this one.
the door.
Yay, good job, Adi.
Disconnect this.
Okay.
What's a bunny now? I
Done.
forgot.
Now you have
Wow. Oh, wow.
with flowers for handles.
And
Oh,
here's
wow.
two.
Door is complete.
And you put.
I just put on this piece and then I'm gonna put on this piece.
Okay.
This goes here.
I know.
These are round piece.
No, there's 2 cookies.
And then this piece goes here. I put
2
on
cookies.
what is
Yeah, I
it?
knew it.
Wow, there is 2 cookies. Wow, nice, Aarvee. Yeah.
2 of these. And then they go here. Snap.
I just put on this piece. Now I'm gonna put on this, this, and a corn. Well, I'll come. I'll shake the corn. Okay, and this.
Done.
You done, Adi?
Well, not really. I'm done putting on these pieces, but
Okay.
these 2 pieces left.
And with...
I am there. I did this.
Wow.
But I need to. It looks like corn. Whoa, look.
Yay. Oh.
I put the corn now.
Gum?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know there's for pets.
Oh, wow.
I'm using 2 of these pieces to create. No idea yet. Okay, no. This is the place where you put the pet for examination.
Ooh.
There's 2 cookies.
This is the place. No, this is the inside. This is the thing I'm making.
Okay.
And then this. And that. Like where you put the
Bed
pet.
for pets?
Yeah, that's a place for pets.
There's 2
Yeah.
cookies.
And then this. And then put in this here. This here. This here. And the next place. You're doing it on the other side now. Wait, no. The same place. So like right there and right there. And now you're putting on this.
There's 2 cookies.
Which goes. Oh, this is another table for another place.
You're not supposed to do
This, then this, this, and wait, this.
Almost done, right?
Yeah.
And
Like,
we'll see what about weights. Wow, weight. Wow, what's that?
what's this? This is the turtle's bathtub.
Oh, wow. Yay. Turtle taking bath?
Yeah.
Wow.
This.
Also made a closet.
I need it.
Closet?
Because look, it goes here.
Yeah, you can open it like this.
Oh,
This is extra,
wow.
though.
It also has another one on the bottom.
Oh, wow. That's okay, that's okay.
There's 2.
Wow. Nice.
I'm putting in the book. I'm almost done.
Almost done?
Where's the cat? The cat goes on the table for the examination or something, and then it apparently broke a bone because on the screen you can see that. To see. Oh no, the cat goes like that. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cat and cat's cookies, right?
And then the money thing that we made earlier, on it goes.
Cash
there.
register. Yeah. Cash machine.
Wait, no, I have to put it on like this.
Hey.
Done.
And you need doctor or something?
No, I finished. This. Yeah, this is the character I need, and then
Hi. Hi, little cat.
this goes here. Oh, and then this goes here. This goes like a baby bottle or something, and then this is where the person goes. So you stick it like that, and this is a vet. This is
So done? Ved, you done?
Yeah.
What's that? It's a car?
Yeah.
Oh,
For kangaroo.
for kangaroo?
Yeah, and I also made the bath for the turtle.
the parts. Okay. So first we have this, and now we connect them. 3, 2, 1, snap. This is the full. Okay, so this is a bathtub full with a turtle, and yeah.
This is the bathtub.
With the turtle.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
And down there?
Is where the doctor is examining a cat with all her tools.
Oh, wow.
Then this is the person who's coming next for their pet, with their pet. Just waiting. Nick. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. You
It's a
can see inside.
door? Yeah.
Zoom, zoom.
What are the stairs?
The stairs? You don't need stairs when you can fly.
And
this is it. These are where the tools are. This is a baby bottle or something to feed the cat, and then this is a needle,
Oh wow.
and then
And cookies for
cookies.
pet.
And then this on top of the floor, there is 2 drawers, and inside the drawers are something. I just have to open them. Oh, I have one open. Yes, one open.
Oh, yeah.
This is one thing. This is there's a bow inside both of them. There's 2 bows inside the drawers, and that is for the pets. And then there's a baby turtle inside the bath.
Oh wow, baby turtle, yeah.
And then underneath there's a cash register, and then this is what they put a light on top of the cat to see it, and then that's her pen and the notepad, and then this, and then inside there are cookies for the pet to calm them down.
Wow.
And then the kangaroo or something.
Next is coming, right?
Yes, and then these are the next ones that are supposed to be coming, and they're outside waiting.
Oh, they are waiting.
And then she has a comb
Wow.
for her pet kangaroo.
She has a comb on a little bit.
Okay, thank you so much, Adi and Ved and Aarvee.
Aarvee, here's your set. Now you must play with it. Aarvee.
Yeah, Aarvee
Okay,
set
yeah.
is ready.
Smile.
Please like.
And subscribe to our channel.
Thank you so much. Bye, Adi, Ved, Aarvee.